43% of your protein scoop is filler. Not protein, filler. I'm Lizzie from FitFix Life, and after researching dozens of protein powder brands, I found a 10-second test that instantly reveals if yours is worth the money. Here's how it works. Check 1. The protein to scoop ratio. Flip the tub. If the scoop is 35 grams but only delivers 20 grams of protein, that's a 57% ratio. 43% of what you're scooping is sweeteners, thickeners, and junk. A good protein should be at least 80% protein by weight, so a 30-gram scoop should give you 24 grams minimum. If it doesn't, skip it. Check 2. Ingredient order. The first ingredient should be the protein source. If sugar or maltodextrin appears before protein, put it back. Check 3. Sugar. Under 3 grams per serving is fine. Over 5 grams and you're drinking a milkshake. Some mass gainers disguise themselves as protein with 20 plus grams of sugar. Check 4. Sweeteners. Most brands use sucralose or acesulfame potassium. Prefer natural? Look for stevia or monk fruit. Now grab your protein tub and run this test. Drop your percentage in the comments. Did yours pass or fail? Compare honest protein powders free at fitfixlife.com. Part 2 drops next, where I expose 3 red flags that should make you put any protein powder back on the shelf.